Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You start by opening PowerPoint and selecting a template or blank file. Choose 16, 9 for presentations on modern displays. Once done, switch to Slide Master and set fonts, colors, and logo so every slide stays consistent. Now insert a title placeholder and pick a clean layout. This gives structure and saves time. Make these initial choices deliberately because they determine legibility and branding, and they prevent rework later when you begin adding content. You now populate the slide with content, starting with a clear text hierarchy: title, subtitle, then body. Once done, place images and charts, and use align, grid, and guides to position elements precisely. This creates visual balance and avoids clutter. Make better use of slide master layouts and smart art for structured lists, and apply subtle animations only to emphasize flow. Also, check color contrast and font sizes so the audience reads every word from the back row. You finish by running slideshow mode and rehearsing timings. Adjust transitions and speaker notes for pacing. Once done, export your work to PPTX for editing, PDF for sharing, or MP4 for automated playback, and compress media if the file exceeds size limits. Before distributing, check accessibility and alt text. If fonts or layouts break on another computer, embed the fonts or export to PDF. This single troubleshooting step preserves design and prevents last-minute surprises.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.